Number 8, we're going to combine like terms. The thing we need to watch out for is that negative. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute that negative to each term. So I'm just going to rewrite everything without using parentheses. So it's 2b to the 4th plus 8b squared plus 8b cubed minus 3b to the 4th minus 7b squared plus 5. And now we're just going to simply combine like terms. 2b to the 4th minus 3b to the 4th is negative b to the 4th plus 8b to the 3rd. 8b squared minus 7b squared is plus 1b squared, and then plus 5. Okay, number 9. Same thing, I'm going to distribute that negative first. 2p cubed plus 2 plus 7p minus p plus 5p cubed minus 1, and then again combine like terms. 2p cubed plus 5p cubed is 7p cubed. There's no p squared term. Plus 7p minus p is plus 6p. And then 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, number 10. Solve each equation by factoring. So in order to solve equations by factoring, we need to get everything under one side. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract 7 to the other side, have it equal 0. Now when we factor, we need two factors of negative 7 that add up to a negative 6. So we have a and an a. Two factors of negative 7 that add up to a negative 6 is negative 7 and a positive 1. Once we have a fully factored equation, we set each of those terms equal to 0. A minus 7 equals 0. A plus 1 equals 0. Add 7. Subtract 1. So positive 7 and negative 1. Same thing with number 11. Everything is on one side equals 0, so we're going to go right into factoring. Two factors of a negative 20 that add up to a positive 1 is going to be a plus 5 and a minus 4. Again, set each one equal to 0. Subtract 5. Add 4. And that's our answer. Number 12, factor each completely. First thing we're going to do with all of these factoring ones is look for a greatest common factor. I see that we can take a 2 out of each term. So we take a 2 out, it's n squared minus 100. Then we're left with what's called a difference of perfect squares. Difference minus perfect square n squared. Perfect square is 100. So the square root of n squared is n and n. It's always a plus something and a minus something. And the square root of 100 is 10 and 10. And that's as factored as we can get.